Welcome to your Korea Update. I'm Katusa Corporal Min Kyu-bae. A tragic attack occurred 3 years ago that stunned the world. Army Sergeant Victor Jakes attended an event to commemorate the fallen.
On March 15, 2013, military leaders from the United States and the Republic of Korea gathered during the Key Resolve training exercise to commemorate the 3rd anniversary of the sinking of the Korean naval vessel, the Cheonan. A surprise torpedo attack from a North Korean submarine sank the ship and killed 46 sailors. One rescue diver also gave his life searching for survivors. The ceremony included a prayer.
Now we ask your comfort and peace for the family and friends of our fallen, and for determination, strength, and wisdom for those of us who remain.
The playing of taps, laying flowers to memorialize the fallen, and remarks from Lieutenant General John D. Johnson.
The men we honor today were patriots. They were professionals, they were well trained, and they were dedicated to making sure that the Republic of Korea and this alliance were protected from aggression.
They are not forgotten, that they will always be remembered, and because of their sacrifices, we will continue to honor them and remember them through the ceremonies that we have in honor of the Cheonan ship every single year.
I'm Army Sergeant Victor Jakes.
This ceremony was a reminder that the 46 sailors that died are not forgotten. That was your Korea Update. I'm Katusa Corporal Min Kyu-bae.